The daily video you are about to watch will require a paid subscription to wickedstocks.com beginning Tuesday, March 1st. Become a wickedstocks.com premium member to continue receiving our daily SPY report, our daily QQQ report, our weekly DIA, IWM, and Bitcoin reports. Monthly subscriptions start at $25 a month. If you're not ready to become a premium member, I encourage you to become a basic member for free, which will alert you once these analysis videos become part of our paid subscription plan on March 1st. We will continue to offer free and valuable content on YouTube, though it will not include the series of videos mentioned earlier. We hope you become a wickedstocks.com premium member. We offer a 7-day free trial, and cancellation is allowed at any time. Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you the daily QQQ report for Tuesday, February 22nd, 2022, President's Day week. Just a reminder to please click like for any video analysis content that you see uploaded to the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel that you actually watch. We really appreciate it. It helps get the word out, and it allows the material to be found that's relevant when people search for whatever they may be searching for that we put out, whether it's QQQ analysis or IWM analysis or what have you. Let's jump into Tuesday's charts. This is sort of kind of a big picture reminder. Once again, over a month ago, we settled below that 379.01 channel bottom, and in the process set off a sell signal, a 3 to 5 week sell signal to the 330.26 rising channel bottom, which I think will probably be tested this week, maybe today. I'll get to that in just a second. In fact, this trend line that was at, going by memory here, 338.99 as I recall on Friday. The low was 339.14. We missed it by just a hair and bounced nicely. It drops to 337.77 today. I've reduced it to an intraday containment level only. It's still a respectable intraday support level. So for you aggressive day traders, you could have at it. It is the base of a near-term channel structure, the top of which is at 357.91, which I'll get to in a moment. But just know that 337.77 here in the support resistance that I just showed can contain intraday selling pressures. But if we break or open today below 337.77, we should test 334.15 intraday, which is the low in January from almost a month ago, and it precedes that long-term rising channel bottom that remains an objective at 330.26. So we could slip into this zone today if we violate that 337.77 trend line I showed a moment ago. The 330.26 to 334.15 area able to contain annual selling pressure. So we could put out an annual low here, and from here push back into the 370s within 3 to 5 weeks and on to new all-time highs as we continue. I'm going to guess into Q3. I think it'll take several months anyway. That'll put us into late Q2 before we'd even reapproach that 408 area high from last November following a test of 330.26. Now, if we do close below the 330.26 formation, technically it sets off a meaningful sell signal for the QQQ, and you can see the targets here. 286.86 is a 50% downside retracement over the last couple of years, and that 258.31 is a rising two-thirds speed line that is in reach. I'm going to say within 3 to 5 months of closing below 330.26. But this is a big but. We've got the SPY that is yet to even come close to testing its long-term support, presently at 402.99 to 405.60. So just know that if we do settle in the QQQ below 330.26, yes, I'll be pointing to these lower levels, 286.86 and 258.31, as a viable downside objective in the months to come. But I'll also be continuously mentioning that as the SPY approaches its long-term support at 402.99 to 405.60, you need to give that healthy respect in terms of where the QQQ may be trading at that point in time. It may find sort of symmetrical support. similar intermarket support, wherever the triple Q may be at that time. So we'll just take it day by day. We're not even close to that yet. First of all, we would need to settle below 330.26. Anyway, let's take a look at the upside today. Once again, the green line, horizontal line, represents roughly where we settled. And gosh, I can't spit the numbers out today very well. 343.89 is our upside resistance. So you've got 343.89 upside, 337.77 downside, that trend line I showed at the start of this. We could trade inside that area for a good part of the day, maybe the morning. But if we push or open today above 343.89, then 351.04 is in reach, and that is represented by this horizontal line here. That is a new upside 3/8 Fibonacci retracement based on the last couple of weeks, using the early February high against the pullback low that was placed last Friday. So 3/8 back up is 351.04. If tested today, can contain session strength. And if we were to close above 351.04, and I think that's a long shot, then the 357.91 to 358.85 area is likely tomorrow or the following day, where we can top out for the week itself and from there fall back into the lower 330s. In fact, that low 330s, the 334.15 low from January down to the 330.26 rising channel bottom, remains a 1 to 2 week objective below 357.91 to 358.85. Now I'll cover the upside that in the event we do close, excuse me, above 358.85 later in the week. It is certainly possible, but it's not going to happen on Tuesday. Might it happen by Friday's close? Certainly may. And if we do close above 358.85, then we have a good February low. We should then, now you see here the former channel bottom at 379.01. That had been kind of an objective if we were to close above the upper 350s, 358.85. But there are some new things happening here. I can kind of open this up and show that 379.01 channel bottom. First off, we've got a descending 2/3 speed line that is still good at 371.95. And I say good because the day we retest that low in January at 334.15, that speed line gets recalibrated. So there's that. So it's still a valid speed line, 371.95, and it's actually in close correspondence with the new channel top at 373.51 that is based in part on Friday's low. So this low 370s is sort of our new threshold of midterm resistance that can contain buying through March to perhaps, if tested over the next few weeks, and also is our meaningful upside pivot point into the second quarter. If we were to close above 373.51 over the next couple of weeks, I think we've got a good move low, at least into through the first half of the year. That 408 area high then in reach over the following 3 to 5 weeks or so, and I think we would then continue also into the 420s over the following 2 months or so of closing above 373.51, but we're a long way from that right now. This image pretty much covers it, encapsulates really the next 3 to 5 days. Actually, not really the 3 to 5 days, 337.77. I forgot this very moment that I've reduced it to an intraday support level for good reason. Because of the heaviness of this market, no longer session containment, although you never know, it may contain daily lows. It is highly susceptible to violation, and if today, once again, we should test that 334.15 low from January on an intraday basis, which once again is the start of a narrowing zone of targeted long-term support down to 330.26 that can contain annual selling pressures. And once again, upside, that upper 350s I'm showing here is our weekly resistance, can contain buying through next week, and below which the lower 330s expected over the next week or two, possibly today if we break 337.77. I think that pretty much covers it for today. Once again, I know you saw at the top of this video that we are going into a paid subscription next week. And I just wanted to put it out there that I appreciate your support. I think we've priced it pretty reasonably. I think we're offering a really solid product for $25 a month. I think it'll keep you tuned in to the directional flow of the Triple Q. And if you subscribe to the SPY or the whatever the case may be, I think that is really our mission. I think we do a good job. I think we've priced it reasonably. It won't break the bank. I think you'll keep you, generally speaking, on the right side of the market, whether that's for the next 3 to 5 days or the next 3 to 5 weeks, 3 to 5 months. I appreciate your support. I'll be back tomorrow for Wednesday's Daily Triple Q report. You have a great day, and we will talk soon.